Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2013 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic Anniversary Edition with only 15,811 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with heated grips and comes well equipped with a multifunction 4-speaker stereo system, cruise control, CB intercom connections, and a security system with a proximity fob. This trike is numbered 709 of only 1,450 produced worldwide. Powered by Harley's 103 cubic inch twin-cam motor, the TRIGLIDE puts down 100 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It includes an electric reverse gear for easy low-speed maneuvering. It offers spacious storage and comfortable accommodations for rider and passenger. It weighs in at 1,180 pounds and has a seat height of 27.1 inches. It's finished in an eye-catching rich vintage bronze and antique vintage black paint set. This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.